Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below. And there's an Amazon store also. If you like these videos, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, hit that notification bell, and likes, comments, questions are welcome. And Henry says hi. Hey, Henry. Around. Okay. So I've been doing some of these and I'm just like stinking loving them, but I want to do some different colors now. So I'm going to do this one more red, I think. Also, here's my watercolors. Pretty messy, but this is the way I've liked them. I've tried them so many different ways, and this is the way I like it. I've got swatches of them in the position they are, so if I want that one, then I go to the bottom row, second one over. I do. I really do, Henry. I do. So, that's it. This is what I work with. I don't even use this. It has a little tray that fits in there. I just don't even use it because I still pretty much keep everything here. Unless I am doing, imagine that, cat hair. I still use my glass thing, my butcher tray. Love it. So I use it over the little one that comes in here. So that's that. Okay. So let's get rolling. I kind of want to do, I still like the 5. I just think they're cute, but I want to do them in a different color. So I want this red, and I'm going to get it really, really wet, a lot of water, but I want to activate a lot of the paint too. And I'm just going to start setting down petals. Now the brush I'm using is a black velvet silver. Love the silver brands. Very balanced. I know some people are like, I don't get that, but there's something about holding this one versus another one that's either top heavy or back heavy. And this is a number 4, so. I'm just going to go in here and lay in these petals. And each flower can be different. You don't have to worry about making them the same. And I usually like this one a little bit smaller. Don't even know why, just a thing. Okay, while these are still pretty wet, I'm going to go back. In fact, I'm going to wet this one a little bit. I really try to make them wet because then I want to go in, I think I want to do a yellow. So I'm going to go in here, mix up my yellow. Again, lots of water, lots of paint. And I'm just going to touch this right here. Let it do what it's going to do. Some of them are, it's going to do something. Some of them they're not. Now the more water it's got to it, it'll also work better too. Okay. Now I want to go in. We'll do a brown. Oh my goodness, Henry. And I'm just putting dots. Not anything special, not anything organized, but it's the bottom half of the head of the flower. If they connect, they connect. If they stay dots, they stay dots. I'm going to go ahead and get some black. Again, mix a lot of pigment in. And this is going to be the top. Something else you can do on the very bottom of this is make some yellow. And I'll do that on my second one. Part of the head of the flower. That would be cool. All right. Get a little water. Start adding my water here. Go in, and we'll do my petal, not petals, leaves. That's all I'm gonna do. Go back in here, get this red. Nope, I'm not doing it with that brush. These flick really well, really big ones. And that's what I want. I don't want a bunch of little. I like to do the back. And if you have time, do the front. Okay, so some of my red jumped in here on my leaves. I love that. All right, that is it. Pretty simple. Change your colors up, have fun. Okay, this one's dry. Let's do some of this ink work. So I've got the Sharpie. It's a very fine tip. It says fine down here. Very fine, you can see. Okay, going to do a lot of indicating right here. So I'm not even going to follow the line. I'm just going to back up off my point so I can be a little freer. And just barely doing that. Now I may put some squigglies. Just enough. Makes it fun. It's amazing how much that shows up. And I'm just doing like half. I'm not even going to go around the whole thing. Okay, it got wet. All right, that one. Isn't that amazing? Now, something I do want to do, because the greens are so dark and there's so much color everywhere else. I want to just take some of that. Very little. I mean, just like 2 drops. And I don't know where my liner is. Good grief. It's snuck. All right. Get a little bit of water. We'll water this down just a little bit. I want it to move pretty easy with me. And I'm just going to put a small indicator, just a small line. Not anything much, just enough. It's amazing how much just indicating something makes it so. So there's that. All right, y'all go have fun.